lads here to mop our maize up, and we've got a slurry lot behind pumping back out because we've got some pollution in it. So, well, we haven't, but someone upstream has put something in they shouldn't, so that's been dealt with. And yeah, it's going to be on Saturday afternoon, 4 o'clock. I was going to go out, but that ain't going to happen because I've been instructed I have to sweep road with this thing. What? You fucking pop. Ew. Come on, big lad. Now I can't grab it.
To leave it. Drink RSPC here or something. Right, I'm off to go fill my trailer.
We're cutting maize and we've got a bit of excitement. We caved in this set. Anyway, Bertie Badger, whether he's injured I don't know. There he goes. There's two. Come on, get what you get. In fact, I think there's three. He's off anyway, is that one, but he's a big one. I mean, you cowmen will be saying you should have nobbled it, but... Come on, out you get. Come on, out you get. Out you get. Come on. Come on, out you get. So that's number two. There's the four. You know. Go on. 3. 4. Yeah, well, when we came downfield we bloody sunk. Anyway, the two gone that way, two gone that way, so... Riding shotgun with Phil. Phil's driving for Livos today. They drafted him in, and yeah, job's going good. In fact, our maize is surprisingly fairly good. 20, sort of 18, 19, 20, 22 on his yield monitor.
It's a lot greener than where I've been.
Is it?
Yeah, a lot greener.
What about height?
Height similar, but a lot more alive in this plant. Keep blowing out a trailer like other fields look. That's slowing it down.
Yeah, tell you what, it's I don't know, it just seems not have a lot of power. It's lovely in there though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely cow. It's a Claas 990, biggest one they do. That is the big flagship. Yeah, I was very wary digging badger out, I'll tell you, because I expected, because I didn't know which bit of badger I was pulling on, and yeah, it was his back, luckily enough. Anyway, it poked his head out, and it didn't snarl her out. It just was they were away like.
If I could have grabbed you, could have got TV.
Maybe.
something like that. I think it's packed. It's done that.
I think he has a new tractor.
No,
Oh, they give him Arden.
this isn't even Chris's, this is someone else's.
Oh, he said that trailer and this tractor was out.
But they won't let anybody on it, so like they wanted an experienced driver.
So drafted hard money. Yeah, a bit slow, but won't break out. Because these new ones, new John, Chris has he bought half a dozen?
6 of them.
Yeah, well that's half a dozen.
Yeah.
And they've got rid of this bit. There's none, it's just a steering wheel on a stalk and all this is bare, so this is not in your view. So all this gizmo, what's happening here, is on there and on pillar.
Yeah. So what's that bit there? Like a toolbox?
No, I think it's nothing. I'm only looking through.
I know what it is, window wiper. Window wiper now goes like that, doesn't it? And it's in box here. Used to go from Ireland. Limerick, I think.
Is he? Well, this you?
Him and other lad.
To be sure.
They come every year, don't they?
Right, I'm off to Sweet Road now because these lads are making a bit of a mess. God, look at shit on road. That's going to be on Facebook, innit? By keyboard warriors, they're going to be complaining out of that, aren't they? Christ, don't they piss you off? Right, I'll sweep it up and then I think there's another about half a dozen load back, half a dozen load, and then we're finished here. And we're heading to the other side of the farm. Oh, wires.
Yeah,
You've seen them? Oh God. I forgot what they told me at that health and safety thing. Do you have to jump feet first or feet apart? I can't remember.
You just need to jump into the top, haven't you?
I tell you what, you touch them, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
If you put them up. Just riding shotgun with Jack and yield them on it. Oh, actually, it ain't as much. It's 20 ton, but it's hell of a tall crop. Really making a back out.
When it's came.
Yeah, just said it, that's the way it's came. She's about using every bit of her horsepower though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where's the horsepower use?
Well, it's just engine load.
Oh, engine load, yeah, 160%. She's on her knees. And it's how many horsepower?
930.
930. Man engine, is it?
Man V12, yeah.
Was it a Manning other one or was it a Mercedes?
Manning, other one. Good engine to be fair.
Yeah. Me and Jack have been badger baiting.
Brilliant.
He didn't touch him. Go on, ram it out, he says. Hey, will you fucking ram it out? Yeah, I touching it. Yeah, we got 4 out. I think they were a bit dazed. Did you see one come out or did you run back to chop him? Yeah, you had to go because he had a trailer. And yeah, they were a bit dazed, but I think they'll survive. But it don't take him long to fill a trailer. It's a bit green, isn't it?
Yeah, but it'll be alright with that other variety being a bit...
Yeah, well that's what he said. We've got 2 varieties. If you looked at left, that'll be a bit more forward variety than the one on the right. So it sort of opens the window for harvest, but it looks very lush and green in the trailer. that spout senses trailer, doesn't it?
No.
Doesn't it? Oh, you're steering everything?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, so you're steering the spout
Yeah,
by
yeah.
what you can see there. Oh, I thought it read the corners of the trailer to a degree.
Old one did.
But did it? This one done?
Yeah.
Is that disadvantage?
Well, the old one had it on, but it never really looked. I never used it.
Didn't you? Always drove it freehand.
Yeah.
How many thousand acre do you do with this thing? It starts on with grass, then onto rye, old crop, don't you? And then you're onto maize. How many acre will you do a year?
Well, I don't know really.
14,000? There'll be 6,000 of this one.
Somewhere on the Maize, yeah.
Yeah. A lot. They're nearly finished for tonight. Even Bossman's turned up with a trailer as Chris, so. But yeah, very, very pleased with the yields. I won't know until he gets all his weighs in, but I reckon we'll be creeping up 20 ton. So yeah. Right. That's it, Saturday night. I don't know whether I'll get to the pub or not, but hopefully I will. So, right, from a rough hard farm in East Yorkshire. Well, not so rough today with all that tackle kicking about. But yeah, bye for now.